Hello, these are some general instructions about how to do pre-registration on Naviance. So I've already logged in as a student, and on this page you want to go to Courses, Manage Course Plans, and right now it's showing me a plan from last year. I can tell that because it says 2021, which is this year. So we don't want to use that as our plan. We want to create a new one. So I'm going to hit the plus button, and it takes me to this page where down here I have a choice of two things. I have this one on the left, and this one says this is for the class of 2021. Okay, so that would be not good. We want the one on the right. Okay, so select this plan. And then rather than create a blank plan, unless that's what you want to do, you could copy courses from a previous plan. So that's what I'm going to do because it might save me some time. I do have to check everything though. So I go here and I pick last year's 2021 pre-registration course plan. All right, then I hit continue. Okay, and here's my new plan. It's all set up and ready to go. I'd like to point out a few things. So you notice there are credits already in the plan because it's a copy of my old one. And up here in the corner, you'll notice there'll be three handy documents. One of them is the actual course list information. So this tells you about the new classes that are running. And we have some designations like online. Because of COVID-19, some of the classes are going to be taught online just because of the way it's set up. If it says on campus, you need to be someone who can come to campus and not be 100% online. So keep that in mind. There's just a few classes like that, but please pay attention to that. And then some classes will say on campus for some meetings. These are for students who can at least come like maybe once or twice a month to campus to do an activity with the class. If it says NR, it might be not running because of either it's an alternate year that the course is offered, or because of COVID-19 constraints, such as regular choir will not be running next year. R indicates that the classes may be repeated, so things like newspaper production or yearbook production or concert band 2, you could take those more than 1 year and still get credit for it. And then TI represents tech intensive. Remember, one of your classes by the time you graduate needs to be tech intensive. And we are listing some classes that may be running in the summer. Space is not guaranteed, but we're just interested in knowing if you're planning on doing that. This next document in the corner is the actual list of classes. So here, if you look at it, you'll see some of these have that designation of on campus, or R for repeatable, or summer, or that sort of thing. You can take a look at it. It's organized by department, and you'll see classes that you may have already taken, as well as the new classes. And the ones in red are the ones that are not running in the upcoming year, just because either it's an alternate year situation, or we're not able to run it because of social distancing. The third link I have here is the 4-year projection plan. What you should do is download a copy for yourself and jot down what you plan to do over the course of the next the 4 years of high school. Of course, the most important year that you're planning for is next year, but it's good to look ahead and see what needs to be done. Okay, anyway, here we are back in the pre-registration page of the plan, and you can see that if you open, well, let's open one that's not completed. Let's go to mathematics. So if you open mathematics and click on edit courses, you'll see that in the plan I have geometry, algebra 2, pre-calculus, and that's up to 11th grade. And then in addition to that, in the 12th grade, I think what I'm going to be taking is AP Calculus AB. So that's what I've selected. And I think that's all I need to do. Add selected courses to your plan. Okay, now you notice that the new class that I added is right here. And if I change my mind, that's what the little trash can is for. You can always delete it and replace it with something else. All right, so now when we go back to the plan, you'll see that on the chart in mathematics, I'm filled up for 4 years, so that's good. Okay, so this is basically how you'll be doing the plan. You want to have the column for your next year's grade level filled in completely. And then when you're done, oh, here's something really important. Make sure that in your first session, you click this button. It says, make this my current plan. If you don't do this, you might accidentally go back to your old plan and be working on it, and it's kind of useless. So make sure that once you have your new plan for this year, it should be the one that says 21-22, that you make this your current plan. Okay, I hope this helps. Make sure that you, when you go back here, that you take care of what needs to be taken care of to submit the plan. Your counselor will talk to you about that. Thank you.